I joined a big tech company as an SDE, and for the first 3 months, my career was at a standstill. Why? Because I made the silent observer mistake. Today, I'm showing you exactly how I broke that cycle to become an SDE too, so you don't repeat my failures. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a new software development engineer, or you're just about to join a big tech company, then this video is for you. Today, we're talking about the crucial first steps, the common pitfalls, and the ultimate guide to excelling in your new role. I've been there, done that, and made some mistakes along the way. So let's learn from them together. My first big mistake? I was incredibly silent. I walked into this massive company surrounded by brilliant minds, and I just froze. I was shy, I found it hard to initiate conversations, and honestly, it really slowed down my initial growth. You might feel that imposter syndrome creeping in, thinking, everyone here is smarter than me, what do I even have to say? But here's the truth. Being a silent observer, especially in your early days, does more harm than good. You're missing out on valuable insights, connections, and opportunities to learn. It makes it harder for people to get to know you, and for you to understand the team dynamics. Actionable advice. Push past that shyness. Start small. A simple good morning or asking about someone's weekend can go a long way. Remember, everyone started somewhere. Okay, so you've broken the ice. What next? Read, read, read. Every big tech company has an incredible treasure trove of internal documentation. Team wikis, design docs, onboarding guides. These aren't just dry text. They're the keys to understanding your team's architecture, past decisions, and current projects. Dive deep into the technologies your team is using. Don't wait to be told. If they're using React, spend some extra time on React. If it's a specific database, learn its nuances. This proactive approach will not only help you contribute faster, but also demonstrate your initiative and hunger to learn. Think of it as setting your personal compass. The more you understand the landscape, the faster you can navigate and identify where you can make an impact. This isn't just about getting by. It's about accelerating your career growth. This is absolutely crucial. Talk to your manager and get on a project, any project, up front. Even if it's a small bug fix or a minor feature, just get your hands dirty. Why is this so important? Firstly, it forces you to do the initial setup. You'll get familiar with the company's internal tools, development environment, and deployment pipelines. Trust me, struggling through this early on is a rite of passage, and it's better to do it with fresh eyes. Secondly, and perhaps more importantly, you'll gain practical knowledge about a specific service and a real-world use case your team handles. This isn't theoretical learning. It's hands-on experience that solidifies your understanding. You'll understand the why behind the code. Don't wait for the perfect project. The smallest task can open doors to bigger responsibilities and show your manager that you're eager to contribute. Your team is more than just fellow SDEs. Interact with everyone. That means your fellow software engineers, your QA specialists, product managers, designers, literally every person involved with your team's work. Why? Because you'll gain an incredibly diverse perspective. The QA engineer can tell you about common failure points, the product manager about user needs, the designer about user experience. Each person offers a unique lens through which to view your product and your team's mission. These interactions aren't just about work. They're about building rapport, understanding different roles, and creating a supportive network. These connections will be invaluable throughout your career at the company. This is a delicate balance. Ask your manager for a buddy or a mentor, someone who can guide you. Most big tech companies have formal or informal programs for this, and it's a huge asset. However, and this is important, don't reach out to your buddy every single time. Try to solve the problem by yourself first. Spend a reasonable amount of time debugging, researching internal docs, or experimenting. Exhaust your own resources. When you do reach out, come prepared. Explain what you've tried, what you found, and what's still blocking you. This shows respect for their time and that you're capable of independent problem solving. Your mentor is there to guide you, not to solve every problem for you. Attend design reviews and team meetings, even if you don't understand everything. Seriously. In your early days, you might feel completely lost in some of these technical discussions, and that's okay. Your goal isn't to contribute brilliant ideas immediately. Your goal is to absorb, listen to the problems being discussed, the solutions proposed, the trade-offs considered. You'll slowly start to piece together the bigger picture. It's like learning a new language. You pick up context and patterns over time. And here's a crucial point. Never be shy in asking questions in meetings, even if you think it's stupid. I promise you, if you have that question, at least 2 other people in the room are thinking it too. Asking questions shows initiative, curiosity, and a genuine desire to learn and contribute. It shows you're engaged. Beyond the code and meetings, spend time with your teammates in informal settings like lunch. This is where you get to know them as people, outside of work contexts. You'll discover shared interests, build stronger bonds, and simply enjoy your time together. These personal connections make work more enjoyable and collaboration smoother. However, and this is vital for your long-term well-being and professional relationships, don't be too close and always give them space. You're building professional friendships, not necessarily your new best friends forever. Understand and respect professional boundaries. It's about building a supportive work environment, not blurring lines that can become uncomfortable. So, to recap, don't be silent, read the wikis, grab a project early, connect with everyone, leverage your mentor wisely, ask questions, and build those personal connections while respecting boundaries. These strategies aren't just about survival. They're about thriving in your new role as an SDE. I hope these tips, born from my own journey and mistakes, help you navigate your first year with confidence and success. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments below. What's one piece of advice you'd give to a new SDE? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one!